So what you need for empanadas? Two eggs, flour and some salt. So I will put the salt first. Now I'm going to put one egg. You need to use the whole egg. You can use only the white, you can use also only the yellow of the egg. Depends on you. And now I will go to the fun stuff. And I will put the flour. Something like 500 grams of flour. This is all the flour that I had. So 500 grams of flour. So now I need to put the water. Water is depending on how much did you put here. I put around 500 grams of flour. So I'm going to put enough water that I can see that the consistency is enough. So I start by adding 100 I start by adding 100 milliliters of water. This water is not warm, not cold water. It doesn't matter because I'm not using also yeast. So as you can see, it is sticking, but I can also mix it. And I can mix it also with the egg. So what I'm seeing that it's not enough. So as you can see here, it's not enough water. So I'm going to put another like 50 milliliters of water and then see if it's enough. So I put another 50 milliliters of water, and then I need to again knead it and also to let the water inside of the dough. In it. Well, as you can see, it is sticking, so it was too much water. So now as you can see, it's too moist, so I need to put a little bit more of flour. I need to put enough flour so it's not going to stick anymore. So as you can see, it's still sticking. As you can see right now, it stopped sticking, but I will knead it. Now I will take it out of the wall, of the bowl. So you're going to take it out from the bowl, but first I need to put here flour. So you put here flour so it's not going to stick. So now I'm putting the dough and knead it again and again.
La jolie caravane se promène pour montrer sa mine, tout près du parc de la ville de Sarreguemines. De loin elle vit un groupe de gens qui étaient joyeux. Elle s'approche doucement faire connaissance avec eux. Ils avaient tous en âge et créé le vacarme. Clara est sous le charme. Ouah, fit la belle Clara.
So now I'm thinking, now is the right consistency. This is what I'm looking for. As you can see right now, it's very tough. It's not sticking. And now I need to flour it in order to make it to empanadas. So what I need to do is to flour it and make from it some rounds.
La jolie caravane se promène pour montrer sa mine, tout près du parc de la ville de Sarreguemines. De loin elle vit un groupe de gens qui étaient joyeux. Elle s'approche doucement faire connaissance avec eux. Ils avaient tous son âge et créé le vacarme. Clara est sous le charme. Ouah, fit la belle Clara. Et quand que le voyou, il se regarde, se parle, les corps se magnétisent. Commence à voir le douceur du boum boum des cœurs. C'est cela l'amour avec toutes ses saveurs. Clara est totalement conquise. Mr. Joe et la frime dans son blazer tout neuf. Il regarde la Marcel toujours envie de faire le keuf. C'est un voyou quartier à la vie provocante. C'est certain, il chasse la galinette et quand il passe près du bout, sans son allure frimeuse, Clara est amoureuse. Pour une promenade change une dynastie. Quand c'est tout heureux, construisent leur petit nid. Dans un monde qui sent bon la fleur depuis son lit. Ils sont heureux et totalement joyeux. Clara attend des enfants. Clara attend des enfants. Clara attend des enfants.
So at this stage I reach the thickness that I need. Something like that. So at this stage I reach the thickness that I need. So it's not going to be so thin and not so thick. I can put also the meat here. And now I'm going to show you how to prepare the meat. You need a little bit of oil. So it's going to wait until it's warm, and then I'm going to pre-fry the meat and then put it in the paste that I made.
La jolie caravane se se promène pour montrer sa mine, tout près du parc de la ville de Sarreguemines. Loin, il y a un groupe de gens qui étaient joyeux. Elle s'approche doucement, faire connaissance avec eux. Ils avaient tous son âge, écrit le vacarme. Clara est sous le charme. Waouh, waouh, dit la belle Clara. Ouh, rétorque le voyou. Ils se regardent, se parlent, les corps se magnétisent. Comment ça vole du seul du boum boum des cœurs. C'est cela l'amour avec toutes ses saveurs. Clara est totalement conquise. Mr. Joe et la frime dans son blazer tout neuf. Il regarde à Marcel, toujours envie de faire le cœur. C'est un voyou quartier à la vie provocante. C'est certain, il chasse la galinette et quand il passe près du...
You can see I have here an egg. I put a little bit of salt to it. And try to from it. And it doesn't take a lot. As you can see, this is what I'm looking for. I take the meat, preheated meat, put it here, take some raisins, putting them here. Also on the other side. Then taking some olives, putting olives. You can put any olive that you want. So put the olives, put the meat, and now it's time to close. Stay in. This is the worst. So in order to close it, I put the fingers in a little bit of water. And as you can see, it's closing it. What I'm using is that is going to stick with the water. But not overdo that. So here you can close it. Here you can do like a double. So here you can do something like that, and double, here close, then take what I made with the egg, brush it a little bit, here need to be closed. And that's all. Now you put it in. So this is the end result of the empanadas. As you can see, this one opened. I think that is because I didn't close it good enough. So it opened in the oven. It was 200 degrees for 25 minutes. As you can see, there is a crispiness on the upper side of the empanada. As you can see here, up is crispy, and in the down, as you can see, it's not so crispy and not so shiny. It's only because I put the egg on the upper side of the empanada, and this is why it's the shiniest part of the empanada and the crispiness, as you can see on this empanada. So yes, this knife is not cutting well, so I trying to show you the inside of the empanada. I'm going to show you this one, and as you can see, you're going to see the empanada is already baked on the inside, and the meat was pre-made before I put it on the empanada, and this is why there's not going to be any change of color or something. So as you can see, this is the thickness of the empanada and with all the ingredients. So thank you for seeing this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you like, put like to the video. If you dislike the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also look my affiliate links on the description of the video. On the description of the video, I'm going to put also the full recipe. And I hope that you enjoy and have a nice day.